Camera support can be a book in its own right, so I'm keeping this to the bare minimum. We'll use the Camera Kit CN1 lib to implement camera support in the application. Since that isn't supported everywhere, for instance the simulator, we'll implement a fallback to use the Capture API in those cases. Before we proceed, we need to install the Camera Kit CN1 lib from the Codename 1 extension manager. Following that, we need to refresh libs so we can use that API. The main form defines the camera button on the top left portion of the form. We need to bind our UI to that call. We need to add a new camera method. This leads us to the new camera method. If Camera Kit is null, which will happen in the simulator, we need to fall back to use the Capture API. Capture is trivial to use. It just returns a file path for the image or null if the user cancelled the operation. Here we use one of the new create methods we added to image picker, then launch the new post form as usual. The new camera form class provides a custom camera UI. This leads us to the camera form class, which implements a camera viewport. We use a layered layout so we can place widgets on top of the camera view. Scrolling should be disabled, as we can't scroll a camera. Layered layout doesn't implicitly disable scrolling like border layout. Events from the camera notify us of things such as image capture, which is the only thing we handle here at this time. This adds the camera viewport to the UI so we can see what we are capturing. This button allows us to capture a photo of what we are seeing. This is really basic. I didn't handle video, flash, zoom, or any other important feature. We can handle all of those things, but that would mean building a camera app, which is a task in its own right. So I've left it at that for now. However, once you do this, you can see how this leads directly into the post UI and everything comes together for media posting. Media uploading has a lot of nuances and complexities I didn't touch due to time and breadth.